friends, I am very excited about this. But first, I want to talk about Fume. You guys know I love Fume. It's my favorite essential oil accessory. It is a hollow wooden little inhaler that you can use to get all the benefits of your favorite essential oils. So what you do is just put a core in the end of it, breathe in through your mouth, out through your nose, and enjoy all of the benefits. There are tons of different cores to choose from. They have a brand new website, which I'll put a little box here so you can see. You can take a quiz and it tells you what cores, what plants, and articles, and all of the different things that will help support you the best in what you are in current need of. And I say current because that always changes, right? So this is a new core that they just came out with to help in stopping smoking, which is super important to me. A lot of my family members, I've just seen, my grandma specifically, I've seen the life just like literally sucked out of them until they eventually just pass away. Smoking kills. It is so bad. So if I can share anything that's going to be a natural alternative to that, I am all for it. So I will link Fume in the description. My code Torey.Noora will save you 10%. I love working with them. I've worked with them for years and I am very proud to be one of their ambassadors. So if you want to shop, make sure you use my code to save money, and let me know if you have any questions or on any of their cores specifically, or how it works, the safety, anything like that. Just let me know in the comments. And thank you to them for sponsoring that portion of the video. Channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. I am so glad you're here. I love Simply Earth Essential Oils. It is a subscription box that is $39 a month. You get 4 oils and some recipes that you're going to use that month. It's so easy and it's simple and they're so cool and I love them. And they just came out with essential oils for kids. How cute is this? I'm really excited and I wanted to film this with the girls, but they're at school, so this is where we're at and this is what we're doing. But this is a roll-on kit. And if you have kids and you use essential oils, you know that they are lifesavers sometimes, but you want to have like what you need on hand. So I feel like rollers are super important because they're just pre-diluted, ready to go, just like roll them on. Like the Tangerine roller I have, we use a lot. The tummy, we have a tummy roller. So like stomach, digestion, headaches, wellness, like immune boosting are some of the main reasons that we use essential oils for kids. And that's what this is, and I'm excited. So let's open it right now. Oh, if you weren't, so I kind of explained Simply Earth. They have a monthly box. You can go on and just buy regular products or single products though too. But I have a code and a link below. So if you want to join, and there are so many other unboxings on this channel that I do every month. On the regular box, the one I was just talking about, which I'm getting ready to film next month, so I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the kids roller box. So we have Spearmint, Tangerine, Cedarwood, Bumps, and Boo Boos. So kind of the same to like the regular monthly box. 3 single oils in a blend. Recipe cards. Labels that are really cute. I'll open those and show you better in a second. Fractionated coconut oil to dilute. Always important, especially when using oils with kids. Oh, you guys, so since when I ordered this, or when this was ordered, I got a series of emails on education for oils and kids, which there is no shortage of education and support when you are a Simply Earth customer. So I just want to say that because I love that about the company. It's not like you're joining this membership. It's not an MLM, which people hate, but they give you so much of what you get when you do join Young Living or an MLM like that. Anyways, these are the rollers. How cute. Gold little tops. And then you put the little labels on, which I'll open that and show you. Ooh, does this open? There we go. Oh, these are cute. So Joyful Noise roll-on. Confidence roll-on. Happy Tummy roll-on. We use the tummy roller a lot, and I use it too. It's not just for the kids. Like my husband uses it. Rest Easy roll-on, so like a sleepy time, I'm assuming. Bumps and Boo Boos, that's a huge one. I don't know why I didn't mention that earlier. So helichrysum is a huge skin supportive. It helps you coagulate or stop bleeding, along with like lavender and let me see. Oh, the bumps and boo-boos. I'll let you know what's in this one. And then breathe. Oh yeah, respiratory. So when they have colds, or Emery just is like a mouth breather, so she's always stuffy. We have a respiratory with like eucalyptus and what's in here? Oh, spearmint. So, oh, and cedarwood is super supportive for respiratory too. Okay, but anyways, I'm like so excited. Sorry if I'm rambling and talking too fast. Okay, bumps and boo-boos is an oil you get. This has helichrysum, lavender, tea tree, and lemon. Let me smell this, because helichrysum does not smell very good. The kids always know when it's the owie roller because it smells very distinct. Tea tree is like what I'm getting most of in here. That's interesting. It's very tea tree. I don't even really smell the lavender. So this is Himalayan Cedarwood is next. And I did a whole video on cedarwood. This is Cedrus deodora, which honestly, there are so many different cedarwoods, but it's a cool oil. It smells very earthy and kind of sharp. What does this say? It usually says, oh, the aroma is dry and woody. Yeah. That's good. This one smells good though. Himalayan cedarwood. I don't know if I've ever had that one before. Tangerine, citrus oils. This is tangy, citrus, and sweet. Tangerine smells good. I had this one already. Oh, it's so fresh. They're the freshest oils on the planet. Citrus. I love them. And then spearmint. This is Mentha spicata from China. It's from the, oops, sorry, leaves and stems. It's sweet and minty, like spearmint gum. If you're familiar with that, spearmint smells good. Oh, it smells just like the gum. It smells so good. Okay, so the rollers, where are the kids roll-on set? I feel like I didn't get all the things. Oh, they're all on here. Okay. So there's a 10 ml roll-on dilution chart for age. So this is really helpful. Like I mentioned before, dilution is really important when you're using oils with kids. And it's basically 2 and under is a general way to dilute or percentage, and then 2 and older, or that's just how we've always done it. So yeah, 0.5 kids 2 to 5 and elderly individuals, 1% in kids ages 5 to 9 if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, or for your face care, like DIY face, what am I trying to say, skincare products. 3% for kids ages 10 and older, or general wellness or massage or skincare or daily use. And then 5% is for healing or for temporary use. So you don't want to dilute anything that you're using over, pretty much just over 3%, which is 5 to 6 drops per 10 ml roll-on. And less is more too. I feel like some people want to add more to make it more powerful, but that's really not how essential oils work, and they can be toxic if you use them too strong. And there are safety tips on the back, also really important. It says they should only be used, essential oils should only be used with kids ages 2 and older. That's interesting. That's not really what we followed. We just more heavily diluted them. But anyways, so that might not be everyone's view. Not all essential oils are safe to be used with young children. Look for the age symbol on our bottles. So on a lot, and I have noticed, yeah, on the back it has child safe, and then the age, this little drop right there. Their bottles are full of information and safety use. So if you're ever confused or don't know, unsure, just read the bottle. And their website has tons of information too. And then as a general rule, use 1 to 2 drops of essential oil in a diffuser and in topical recipes with kids. Like I said, less is more. And then the recipes are on here. So the joyful noise is tangerine, 1 drop of tangerine and 1 drop of the bumps and boo-boos. Confidence roller is spearmint, tangerine, bumps and boo-boos. Breathe with ease is cedarwood and tangerine. Rest easy is cedarwood and bumps and boo-boos. Let's see. The happy tummy is 1 drop of tangerine and 1 drop of spearmint. So I think peppermint is like the oil that we've used before for like stomach and upset digestive issues. So I like that they're using different oils that we typically go for. It just gives you a different variety of things to use, and different, like, I don't know, if you're out of something, you can use this instead. But I love these. They're really cute. I'll put one on. Let's just make one just while we're filming here. I'll make the joyful noise. So I need 1 drop tangerine, 1 drop bumps and boo-boos. Joyful noise. Okay. So here is the bottle. And this is, I don't know, this might be helpful too. If you've never made a roller before, here you go. This is how you do it. Okay, I died. These are so cute. You just slap that on. You want to put the sticker on first, just from my experience, because if you're mixing it, your bottle might get a little messy, and then it won't be, your sticker won't stick. Oh, that's so cute. They nailed this. It's really cute. Okay, so I need to put, oh, so you take the lid off, and there will either be, these will either be in the package or already on. So you just pop off that top roller part, and they're all the same too. Just varies the size, I think, on different ones, but they're generally all the same as far as roller bottles go. Tangerine and bumps and boops. Okay, so Tangerine, just put 1 drop. And if you get 2 drops on accident, it's okay. Whoops, just like I did, because I assumed that was going to happen. And then bumps and boo-boos, this is a blend, so you want to give it a gentle shake or a roll before you start pouring it out. And I think it was 1 drop of this too. Whoop. Okay. And then you just fill the rest with a carrier oil, and this box comes with the fractionated coconut oil, which is just liquid coconut oil. If you subscribe to their regular monthly box, you get a free big bonus box, and it has all of this type of stuff in it too that you'll need. I'm gonna try not to make a mess. I don't have a funnel or anything right here, so let's see how this goes. Oh, okay, we're doing it. Whoop. Whoop. Where? Oh, it's like barely filling up. Having a little tiny funnel on hand is really handy, especially if you're making a lot of different products like this. Okay, so you just pop that back on and then screw on the top. And again, give it another roll or a little gentle shake. And now it's ready to use. And for this one, joyful noise, I don't really know. Joyful noise, I don't know, maybe for happy, just like emotion. You can just roll this one like on your wrist, on all your pulse points, or what a general rule of thumb. That smells great. This is like a perfumey type of one too. I'm going to be sharing this. So I can do like your wrist, your neck right here, your like digestive one you would want to rub on your tummy in a clockwise direction if you need things to get moving, or counterclockwise if you need things to slow down. But essential oils support you in whatever type of digestive issue you're having. The breathe with ease, we like to just do around the nose if she's having like a really bad problem, and then on the chest too, like if she's going to bed, kind of like a chest rub. Bumps and boo-boos, wherever the bump and boo-boo is. Breathe with ease, I just did that one. Confidence, you could do like chest, neck, down the spine. A wellness, I'm surprised there's not a immune boost roller in here, but that one we do like on your spine or bottoms of your feet. Your feet have really large pores, so the oil gets in there quicker. And then rest easy, you can do your back, feet, again with the large pores. We usually do all of our nighttime rollers on feet and spine. But I love this. I will put the link to shop in the description. I think this was $50, either $39 or $49, which is always a really good deal. They have the prices on their kits are really good. And I think that's it. Let me know if you have questions or need help ordering, or really just have any recommendations on what oils to get if you're not gonna do the subscription. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.